How to make your ex see you've changed. If you're hoping to show your ex that you've grown and evolved since your breakup, it's essential to approach this task with patience, authenticity, and action. Change isn't just about appearances, it's about demonstrating real growth. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 9 effective ways to make your ex see you've truly changed. 1. Focus on personal growth. Move past past mistakes and highlight how you've improved in various areas of life. 2. Be authentic. Authenticity is key. Don't try to be someone you're not. Let your true self shine. 3. Demonstrate maturity. Handle conversations with maturity, showing you've learned from past mistakes without defensiveness. 4. Invest in self-improvement. Show how you're bettering yourself through new hobbies, health routines, or career advancements. 5. Respect their boundaries. Give your ex space if they request it, showing that you respect their needs and boundaries. 6. Be patient. Change takes time, and your ex may need to see consistent transformation before believing it. 7. Stop seeking validation. Live for yourself rather than seeking approval. Confidence in your changes speaks volumes. 8. Create a new identity. Small changes, like shifting your style or activities, can indicate personal growth. 9. Actions speak louder than words. Your ex will notice your transformation more through your actions than anything you say. In conclusion, demonstrating real change is a gradual process. By focusing on self-improvement and showing maturity, your ex will eventually see that you've become a better version of yourself. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.